This is the Provider Data Management Agent, an AI-powered healthcare data verification tool designed to keep provider information accurate, current, and compliant, with minimal manual effort. Health plans are required to maintain accurate provider directories, including addresses, specialities, and whether providers are accepting new patients. But keeping this data up to date is a persistent challenge. Traditional approaches rely on periodic, manual outreach to thousands of provider offices, driving high administrative costs and operational strain. When provider data is incomplete or outdated, members become frustrated, and plans face serious compliance risk. In regulated programs like Medicare Advantage, CMS audits can result in penalties of thousands of dollars per directory error. This agent is built for operations teams, specifically provider network and credentialing staff, who are responsible for directory accuracy. Through a simple conversational interface, staff can enter an NPI number and the agent automatically gets to work. Behind the scenes, the agent continuously cross-checks provider data against trusted external sources, including the NPI registry, licensing boards, and real-world claims patterns. Discrepancies are detected automatically, such as outdated addresses, changed practice status, or mismatched specialties. The agent then generates personalized, professional outreach, drafting verification emails, or initiating automated calls to provider offices. Human staff are only involved when exceptions arise, allowing teams to focus on high-value work instead of brute force calling. From an interoperability perspective, updated provider data can be represented using FHIR resources such as practitioner, organization, and location. This enables health plans to publish and exchange up-to-date provider directories through FHIR-based APIs, supporting modern interoperability requirements. This is intelligent provider data management, automated, compliant, and built for scale, delivered by Pegasus One.